welcome to episode 2 of the new series on this channel, which is, what should I even call it? I don't know. How to style natural hair? Is that what I call it? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do twists. I am going to be showing you how to do 2-strand twists because that is what I do on my daughter's hair. I don't think I've ever done a 3-strand twist. If you want a video on that, I will learn how to do them and then show you how. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to do 2-strand twists. I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of doing them. I'm going to be showing you how to use feed-in hair when you do twists. I'm going to be showing you how to do just twists on natural hair. And then I'm going to be showing you how to do flat twists as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage.
Alright guys, so this is me just detangling my daughter's hair as I do before any kind of hairstyle. I'm just using some oil on her scalp, and then our As I Am Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner, and then detangling her hair to make sure that there's no tangles. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to do twists using feed-in hair. So I am going to show you a little trick that I learned. You're going to take a section, split it in half, lay the middle of the feed-in hair in the middle of the section that you made. Does that make sense? I hope it does with the video that you're watching. And then you're going to tie your actual hair, or the kid's hair, whoever's hair you're working on, tie it with an elastic, and then tighten it so that the feed-in hair is pulled to the scalp. As I always say doing these voiceover, I really hope it makes sense when you hear what I'm saying along with the video, because I have absolutely no idea how to properly explain what I'm doing, but yeah. So once you have the elastic in there, you're literally just gonna take the 2 sections that you already made and join them with the 2 sections of feed-in hair and start to twist. So you're just gonna wrap the hair around itself. But this is what it should look like when you're done. Now I'm going to show you how to do 2-strand twists just on natural hair. All I'm doing right now is sectioning off another part of her hair. I was actually doing a twist hairstyle on my daughter when I did this video, so right now I'm just sectioning off a piece that I am going to turn into a twist. So there are 2 ways you can start a twist, and it depends on your hair as far as what you're going to want to do. The first way is you can split the hair in half and just start the twist from the base. So all you're going to do is split the hair in half and wrap it around itself. I personally cannot do this with my daughter's hair just because the twist will end up coming undone. What I do with my daughter's hair is I braid the top part and the bottom part of the twist. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take the section, I'm going to split it into 3 strands and start doing a braid right at the top. And I maybe do 4 or 5 braids down, and then I'm going to split the middle section in half, join it with the outer sections of the braid, and then start the twist. I'm going to twist all the way down until there's maybe 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches left of her hair. I'm going to split one of those twist sections in half so that I then have 3 sections of hair again. And then I'm going to braid at the very bottom. This is just what I found out works for my daughter's hair. It helps the twist stay in for longer. This is what it should look like. So here I am just showing you again. I'm going to braid, split one of the pieces of hair in half, and then twist. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you today is how to do flat twists. I'm actually not an expert on these. I've only done it maybe a couple of times. You're going to start off with the section of hair you want to do the flat twist on and take a very small section at the very top of that big section. You're going to split the small section in half and do a couple of just regular twists so that you start off the flat twist. Then you are going to pick up hair, add it to one of those strands that you have twisted. Is this making sense? And then you are going to twist the hair again. So then you're going to pick up more hair, add it to one of the strands that you have in your hand, twist, pick up more hair, add it to one of the strands, twist, and you're just going to continue doing that all the way back. Now, like I said, I am most definitely not an expert on doing flat twists. I don't know why, I just really don't love how they look on my daughter's hair, even though every single time I see somebody else with a flat twist hairstyle, I love it and I always want to try it on my daughter, but it just never quite turns out right. So if you can tell me what I'm doing wrong, maybe, if I'm doing anything wrong, let me know, because I always see these super cute hairstyles and I can just never make it work because, I don't know, it just never turns out right. But this is how the flat twist turned out for us today.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have anything that you want me to add to this series, if there's anything that you feel like is kind of the basics that people should know or that you want to know, let me know down below and I will try to record that video for you. I do have a few other videos like ready to go as far as ideas of what I'm going to add to this series, but if you have any, let me know. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video.